Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore refinance closing statement numbers into TurboTax, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, gather your refinance closing statement. Next, locate the relevant financial figures on your closing statement. Look for the loan amount, which is usually on the first page. Find the cash to close amount, as this will be critical for your tax return. Record any points paid, as these can be tax deductible. Make note of your loan origination fees, which may also be deductible. If applicable, identify any mortgage insurance premiums you paid during closing. Now, open TurboTax and start a new tax return or continue an existing one. Navigate to the section for deductions and credits. Select Mortgage Interest, Refinancing, and Insurance in the Deductions section. Find the option to enter your refinance information. When prompted, input the loan amount you recorded earlier. Enter the cash to close amount in the relevant field. Next, add any points you paid during the refinancing process. If you noted mortgage insurance premiums, provide that amount as well. Review the information you've entered for accuracy. Proceed to the next section within TurboTax to finalize your deductions. Once reviewed, follow the on-screen prompts to continue with your tax filing. Finally, ensure all your documents are ready for submission. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.